Okay, hopefully this won't sound too atrocious. This is a 1996 Buick Skylark with a 3100 SFI V6, coming up on 150,000 miles. Been running it on part synthetic for a little while, just changed to full, and now I've got an interesting ticking noise. Doesn't seem to be any of the spark plugs, I have checked. I think it might be lifter tick, maybe it's piston slap, I'm not really sure. Hopefully it's not knock. I'm going to give it a start, and you guys let me know what you think. There we have it. Just gonna move the phone around, see if maybe we get better sound in any particular spot. Now it doesn't really seem to get better when it warms up. It might get a little better, I think. It's not quite as harsh, but it's definitely there. I just ran about 30 miles straight, still did the same shit. It does seem to be coming from this side of the engine. I did feel around with the stethoscope, and it's definitely coming from the engine itself. It seems loudest coming from this little, from what I can hear, from this little exhaust cover here. But it's kind of hard to pin down. It's not from the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, compressor. Definitely seems to be from the engine. When it started, just the day before, it did seem to go away as the car was revved up, but now it'll just speed up with the engine. It gets harder to hear as it revs up higher because the engine drowns it out.